So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali and I'm third year BSMS student from ISER Bhopal. I'm from biological science majors and today I'm at my home because my exams are over and technically I should be calling myself as fourth year student. So in this video, I'll tell you people like what if your NEET didn't go well. So this video will be oriented for NEET students. NEET aspirants means people who have given their NEET exam and for some reasons and number of reasons their exams didn't go well. So for them, I want to tell that I was also at your place. Yeah. So no one can tell you or guide you better than me because I am also like you. So in this video, I'll tell you people what if not NEET. You don't have to feel demotivated and you don't have to compromise also with your life. So here I am to tell you some of the career options other than NEET. You people must be knowing them, but here I'll tell you very precise and whatever I'll tell you, trust me, they are very good career options. So first of all, I want to tell you people that 13th May is the last date to fill IIT application form. So do not miss it. Just fill the form because IIT is not like NEET. The paper pattern of IIT is very different from NEET because NEET asks you very much questions and then means you have to be very accurate and the cutoff is also very high. On the other hand, IIT is tougher than NEET, but the competition in IIT is lesser than NEET. IIT gives you different type of questions. Like most of the questions in IIT will be your intelligence based. I mean, it won't be that rectification. So people who are a little bit lazy like me, so for them IIT is a plus point. Means you people can clear IIT, I suppose, because IIT doesn't ask that rectification questions, and because for IIT, if you understand the concept, then you are done. You will do the questions. So that was the reason I cleared IIT. First of all, fill the form if you have not filled the form because 13th is the last day and it won't be extended. And yeah, ISERS stand for Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. So the name itself says Indian Institute. It's a institute of national importance. You can Google it even. So if you are studying at ISER, means that is very valuable, and there are many perks of studying at ISER, and who can tell you better than me. So if you study at ISER, you will get a lot of benefit than the whole population who are doing bachelor's and masters. So you will be at an edge because of that ISER tag. See, for example, how to explain, like an engineer from IIT Bombay and a topper means, how should I demean? No, demeaning a college is not good. So first of let's think that there is some ex private college and one student is a topper of that college and one person is an average student of IIT Bombay. So because that average student has a tag of IIT Bombay, so of course he will be benefited much more than anybody else. So that is the same case with us. You people will get a lot of benefit because of that ISER tag because it's an institute of national importance. And I feel that getting PhD abroad will be relatively easy for you. Getting internships will be relatively easy for you than other students if you study properly at ISER. So there are many perks. Here I am to tell you people about other career options. So let's start. So you people should not be like old school kids कि बस MBBS बस वही अब जिंदगी बन गया और कुछ career option ही नहीं दिखते. No, if you have taken biology, MBBS is not the only destination. There are many more. So here, of course, you people, I think that you people must be knowing about BDS, BMS, BHMS. So here I am telling you other than them. So it's my personal opinion again. I think that BAMS has a very bright future and it's a very demanding course. So you people must opt for BAMS, then BDS, BHMS, veterinary, nursing, AFMC nursing. It's a very prestigious thing if you get AFMC nursing. Then you can do physiotherapy, psychology, then lab technician, forensic science. So these are some of the medical related fields which I have told you. Now, if you're interested in research, then of course IISc, ISERS, NISERS, IACS, CBS. Of course, I think that you people must be knowing about NEST exam. Like ISERS take IAT exam in the same way they take NEST exam. So you people must fill the form of these research institutes because they have a lot of importance. And if I tell you in very clear words, then ISERS are very much famous abroad than any other institute. Of course IISc तो सबसे आगे है. अब उसके बाद ISERS are very famous, so you people should opt for ISERS. If you get ISERS, do not leave. Don't think that ISER पुणे मिलेगा तो ही लूंगा, बरहमपुर मिलेगा तो नहीं लूंगा. It's a foolishness to leave ISER Berhampur because it's a great institute and there are many perks of studying there. And I want to tell you that every field has scope. Literally every field has scope. You have to be good at your field. You have to be great at it. If you have talent, you will find the way to your destination. So here I am to tell you that means clear that if you are very much money oriented person, then I don't think that research is made for you. Everyone has their own priority towards life. Like when I was in 12th and in my drop year, I was very clear with this that I want respect and not money. For me, money was secondary and respect was primary. Peace of mind, respect was primary thing. So for me, it was very clear that I have to be means this field is made for me. Like if I'll be there, I won't be that disheartened because I loved biology, and if I'm getting biology to study, then that's the best thing. I love biology. That's why I took biology. So here now also I'm studying biology and I'm happy with that. So if you're money oriented, then I don't think that research is made for you. There are many good opportunities. You should do engineering, MBA, etc. You should do BS economics from ISERS or IITs. Only ISERS and ISER Bhopal and IITs. There are some IITs which offer BS economics. So if you want money is your aim, then I think you should do courses like this, like BS Economics from IIT or ISER. Do not compare it with BA Economics again. I have made a video about it. Go and see it. You'll get very good placements, lucrative placements. Do MBA. So I am telling that if you in pure sciences, life sciences. So here, comparatively, I feel that money is less, and it is very less in India actually. If you get PhD abroad, then it's fine. Means you will have a decent life and everything will be good. But in India, the stipend is very low, literally very low. I think that JRF they get something 34,000. I think 36,000. Please Google it. So this is इतने में तो रेंट भी नहीं भराता है दिल्ली का. So this is what I want to tell you people. So if you are aiming for research, then I think that your aim should be PhD abroad. Because in India, I have told you how much government will pay you for JRF. You can Google it, how much is the stipend for JRF in India, and you will find it. Then you can also Google how much is the stipend for SRF, and you can find it. So this is for India. And after that, you have to do, you can become assistant professor and you can see their salary. So this is for India, but if you get PhD abroad, then things are very different. Your stipend is very high, and means there you'll get a lot of respect. Even like I feel that in India, people are more inclined towards medical engineering and IS vagera. But one bhaiya is there from ISER. He told me that when he means landed at for he's in Caltech. So when he went there, so at airport only when they saw that he has come here to do PhD, so they means they gave so much of respect, like their gesture, and means I want to tell that in abroad you will get a lot of respect for research. uh, yeah. सो ऑफ कोर्स पहले हमें अपना देखना है, तब हम किसी और का भला कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू all the social activities and whatever you want to do only if you have money. So that's my personal opinion. Again, if you have to stay at India, it's great. You can do PhD here. I have told you the stipend. So let's move on to next point. Yeah. So here I have written that padhai is inversely proportional to salary. So that's again my personal opinion. Kyunki, and yeah, padhai is directly proportional to respect. I see that many people from West Bengal, at all the ISRs, I see that they do PhD. I don't know why. When I asked them, they told that for them, PhD is a mark of respect. Like, even if you're unemployed and you have done PhD, then you will get respect. So, what I want to tell that a doctor is a doctor, even if he or she is unemployed. And Dolly is Dolly, even after being Karorpati. Means this is the thing I want to tell you people, that you have to decide your preference, money or respect. It's all on you. You have to search. कुछ चीजें खुद भी Google करो, like what is the condition of research in India, how much they are paid. So you'll find it. In previous video, I have told you people about courses at ISER. So you must go and watch, and then you'll find in which course you want to get into, what is your interest. So for ISER Bhopal, I'm telling you that BSMS in natural sciences is there, in which biochemistry, physics, maths, earth science comes, and then BS in engineering and BS in economics is there. So these are the courses at ISER Bhopal, and you'll get means at other ISERs also offer almost the same courses. So this is the thing for research. Now, if you want money placements, then I prefer BTech in biotechnology, BTech in bioinformatics, and BTech in food technology. So the future of these three branches is very good. BTech or BSc, uh, both have placements. So तुम्हें बहुत अच्छी placement मिलेगी. My friend has done BTech from Vellore, VIT Vellore. So she has got very good placement. So if you have money, then I think that this is best for you. You'll get good placements. Biotech, bioinformatics, and food technology. Normal BSc करके placement कहीं नहीं लगता है. Means वो BSc in zoology, BSc in botany, तो normal BSc करके placement नहीं लगेगा. So, and yeah, agriculture is also a very good field. ICR takes admission in agriculture. So you can do agriculture also, like BHU ka agriculture. If you get, then it's best. Go there. You can do B Pharma also. So these are the things I have told you if you want placements. Now, other than that, if you're not interested in science, then you must change your field. You must change the subject, because after 12th, it's the right time. So in college, you should take admission in some other course. It may not be related to science. So think where your interest lies and then decide accordingly. So you can do B.Ed, you can go in teaching profession, you can do fashion technology and all, like NIFT. You can go there, NIFT and ID. You can give UC. So law you can do journalism if you're great at speaking. So you have to find the way to your life. I am here to guide you. I have told you the things, and very honestly, I tell you, people, no one was there to tell me. So this was all about from my side. And again, do not be demotivated, because NEET is not the end. My life, honestly, I'm telling you that it's much better than yesterday. In your drop year, you will feel that this is the end, and what I'll do, you will overthink a lot, but this is just a temporary phase, believe me. You have to decide for yourself and just move on, because taking n number of drops, 4 5 drops, 6 drops, it is not justified. Because how will you clear your MBBS semester exam? That's much tougher than NEET. So yeah, you should think practically and then decide for yourself. Again, I'll pin that link, NEET to IIT My Journey. That's means people find it motivating. So you can go and watch that. You should watch courses at ISER and then decide. अंधा बिल्कुल आंख बंद करके मत आ जाओ. You should know about it. Then you should see why you should join research. I'll pin that video also. You people must be clear with your aim towards your life and with what you wanna do, because ऐसे आंख बंद करके कोई भी course लेना is not good. You have to know what that course asks from you and what it takes from you. So know all these things. My channel has all the relevant videos related to IIT and ISER. So I hope that those videos will be helpful for you. And very soon I have told one D to make a video for BS engineering. So yeah, I'll make it and upload it soon. So till then, bye and do not take tension.